Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer UI search filters into Shopify collections step by step clearly. To transfer UI search filters into Shopify collections, start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to the Products section in the left sidebar. Click on Collections to access your existing collections. Select the collection where you want to add UI search filters. If you need to create a new collection, click on the Create Collection button. Enter a name and description for the new collection. Scroll down to find the Collection Type section. Choose whether you want to create an automated or manual collection. For automated collections, set specific conditions that products must meet. Click on the Add Conditions button to define the filters you want to apply. Select the attributes you want to filter by, such as product type, price, or vendor. Add multiple conditions as necessary to refine the collection further. For manual collections, click Select Products to choose items to include. Ensure all relevant products are checked. Once you have added all products, click the Done button. Next, enable the collection to be visible on your store by checking the Visible option. Save the collection by clicking the Save button at the top right corner. Navigate to your online store and preview the changes. Test the search filters to ensure they function correctly within the newly created collection. Repeat this process for any additional collections you want to create with UI search filters. Regularly update your collections to reflect changes in inventory or product offerings. With this, you've successfully transferred UI search filters into your Shopify collections. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.